Okay, so this is a demonstration of how to solve problems where you are given some initial amount of money and a payment over a certain number of periods to pay off that amount of money. And then you're asked to find the implied interest rate. So this would be important if you were thinking about a hard money loan or some kind of investment where either you're willing to pledge or receive money up front and then you would receive or pay payments over time. So the best way to do these kinds of questions is to use the financial calculator, and there's a very good reason for that. The unknown in this case is the rate, and rate gets used over and over again. Each payment has its own compounded number of times that it's going to effectively need to be reduced to do present value, and so you can't directly solve for the rate in most cases. The only way to do it is by guess and check. So even if you're using a financial calculator, that's what the calculator is doing. It's a sophisticated algorithm, but it's a guess and check algorithm. So that means there isn't really a better way than the financial calculator to solve these kinds of questions, and so that's what I'm going to do here. So this is financialcalculator.com. spelled financialcalculator.com, like that. This is my personal page that I've made, but it mimics the behavior of financial calculators like the TIBA2 Plus or the HB financial calculator. So I've got some inputs here, and so let's imagine that we were asked if I'm going to have, say, $1,000. So there's a $1,000 engagement ring, and we're going to pay $50 every month for 24 months. And we want to figure out, all right, well, what's the interest rate implied by those payments? So I'm going to get $1,000. That's the value of the merchandise I'm getting right now. At the end of my loan, I'm not going to owe anything. So I'm taking a $1,000 loan to a $0 loan over a period of 24 months. Okay, so I've taken a $1,000 loan to a $0 loan over a period of 24 months. And the payment was $50. So $50 every month for 24 months. That means I need to calculate the interest rate. So I'm pushed in this case. I've pushed calculate an interest rate on your financial calculator. You would do the same, just calculate interest rate. So we get in this case a 1.5% rate per month. Now the trick here is that you're not usually asked for a per month interest rate. You want something else. And so if we were interested in an annual interest rate, you would need to take this rate here and add 1 to it, 0.01513, and then take it to the 12th power. So that would take it from a 1 month rate to a 12-month rate. So this exact mathematical, and then subtract 1. This exact formula here for interest rate conversions I've encoded down in here. So we have a 1 month rate, and we want a 12-month rate. So I'm going to take this, that's our 1 month, and convert it to a 12-month. So if I'm paying $50 every month for 24 months, that's an effective interest rate of 19%. 19.7% per year. So that's how you do those. The initial, whatever the money is, goes in present value of your financial calculator. The number of payments goes in N. The dollar value of the payment goes in here. That was 50. And future value is 0 because we're going to pay the loan off. And you calculate interest rate and get it in the correct units. So again, that was given a lump sum and a payment, find the implied interest rate.